Forest sort 23 focuses on number prefixes quadra, tetra, quint, pent, and dec. Both quadra and tetra mean 4, quint and pent mean 5, and if the word has the number prefix dec, it means 10. Let's take a look at some sample words here. Quadruple has the Latin prefix quadra, meaning 4. To quadruple something is to make 4 times as much. A tetrad is a group of 4. And we know that because it has the root tetra, meaning 4. Quintuplets are 5 children born the same pregnancy. We know that because of the prefix quint, meaning 5. And pent also means 5, in which case a pentagon is a closed figure with 5 sides. Decimal has the root dec, which means 10. And a decimal is using a fractional part of something in a base 10 system where 10 in one column makes 1 in the next column to the left. A quadruped is a 4-footed animal, has the prefix quad in it. A tetrarchy is a government ruled by 4 groups or 4 people, and that has tetra meaning 4. Quintessence is an unusual word. Quintessence uses the root quint, meaning 5, and that refers to the highest essence, the 5th and highest essence after air, earth, fire, and water. If we were to say that she was the quintessence of gymnastics ability, that means that she has the highest of ability imaginable. So quint meaning 5. A pentathlon also uses a root for 5, pent, and a pentathlon is an athletic competition involving 5 events. The word decimate has the Latin root dec, meaning 10. To decimate is literally to cut into 10 parts or to break into 10 parts. But if we say a tornado decimates the town, it doesn't literally cut it into 10 parts, but cutting something into 10 parts would pretty much destroy or ruin it. So it is therefore an extension into our language and situation today. Sometimes words have those letters, dec, but they don't actually use them as that root. Declare actually has the root de, meaning away from or to make. And to declare has nothing to do with 10. And finally, our last word, tetrapod, also has the root 4, meaning in this case a tetrapod would be 4-footed, just like quadruped. But sometimes we might want to talk about something that is a structure or a figure, and we might use tetrapod as opposed to quadruped. Tetrapod can also mean an animal that has 4 feet, just like quadruped, but if we're talking about a 4-footed structure, we might use tetrapod, just like a tripod is something that a camera might be set on that has 3 legs. So again, quadra and tetra mean 4, quint and pent mean 5, and dec means 10.